In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file on your laptop, PC, or computer. Let's start with the basics. A PDF is a file format that keeps your documents layout, fonts, and images the same no matter what device or program you open it with. This makes it perfect for sharing resumes, school projects, forms, or anything you don't want others to accidentally edit or mess up. On most modern computers, you don't actually need to install anything special to create a PDF. The trick is to use the print feature, but instead of printing on paper, you print to a PDF file. Go ahead and open the document you want to turn into a PDF. This might be a Word document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even a web page in your browser. Once it's open, look for the print option. Usually, you'll find it under the File menu at the top left, labeled Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+P, and on a Mac, press Command+P. When the print window opens, don't worry about actually printing anything. Instead, look for the printer or destination setting. Click that, and from the list of available printers, choose the option that says something like Microsoft Print to PDF, Save as PDF, or Print to PDF. Different programs and operating systems might use slightly different names, but they all mean the same thing. You're creating a PDF file instead of sending the document to a physical printer. Before you continue, check the preview if one is available. Make sure all the pages you want are included, the orientation is correct, and the page size looks right. If needed, adjust settings like page range, layout, or margins so the PDF comes out exactly how you want. Once everything looks good, click Print. Instead of paper coming out of a printer, a Save window will pop up. Choose a folder where you want to keep the PDF. Type in a clear and descriptive file name, and then click Save. Your PDF is now created. Navigate to the folder where you saved it, open it to confirm everything looks correct, and you're done. From here, you can email it, upload it, or store it for later use, knowing it will look the same on any device.